Hi guys, so welcome to my vlog. I think this will be my first ever vlog, and today I'm gonna have my run because it's one of my tasks here today. So yeah, so from Lusakan ako, and currently narito ako sa may palayan in between ng San Jose and Palagaran in San Isidro. Dito sa gitna San Isidro na siya. And dito sa kabila pa ay isa na. So, ikutin natin yung route na gustong gusto kong ikutin ever since. So, since we are free today, we have idle time. So, we're gonna run. So, I think this will be another PR if ever. So currently, pinakamatagal kong takbo is almost 16 kilometers. And ano siya, with walk. On mostly of walk talaga siya. So let's try to beat that. And journey with me. So yeah, dun ako galing. Dito sa part na to. Inikot ko siya papunta dito. And then, ikutin ulit natin siya. San Jose, San Agustin, Kipot, then Chaong Town Center, then papunta ng Lumingon, then back to our house. So try din natin kung makakit pa tayo ng Chaong Convention Center. So bye, love you. Welcome to San Jose. Ayusan. So yeah, we're here at Ayusan 1. Grabe yung hairline ko. Paubos na din. Okay, let's do this. So we're targeting na maka 21 kilometers tayo ngayong gabi. Ngayon, tumatakbo na tayo ng 9.4 kilometers. So let's do this. Wala pa tayong kalahati. Let's do this, guys.